Hi guys, welcome to our spelling lists on prefix, un, dis, and in. By now you should have watched the video on prefixes. Let's get started. Distrust is a verb, the feeling that someone or something cannot be relied upon. In a sentence, we distrust someone who is not honest. Distrust means that you've lost the trust towards someone or something. Uncertain, adjective. Not able to rely on, not known, or defined. In a sentence, I am uncertain about the answer, meaning you don't really know. That's the feeling of uncertain. Incomplete is an adjective, not having all the necessary or appropriate parts. In a sentence, this puzzle is incomplete. Sometimes when you're working and you skip over the some of the questions and you turn in your work, that work would be incomplete because you did not complete all of it. Unlikely is an adjective. Not likely to happen, be done, or be true. Improbable. In a sentence, it is unlikely that you saw a mouse riding a lion. Just like this picture, it is unlikely that you're going to cut open an apple and get a piece of orange. Unlikely. Unfair is an adjective, not based on or behaving according to the principles of equality and justice. In a sentence, the contest was unfair. This boy standing on the 40% box, he is smoking out of his ears. He is really mad. He thought that the contest was unfair. Discontinue is a verb to stop doing something. It can also be canceled. In a sentence, the ferry service was discontinued because of the weather, meaning something that has stopped happening. Unaware is an adjective, having no knowledge of a situation or fact. In a sentence, they were unaware of his absence. You didn't know, unaware. Disorder can be a noun or a verb. The definition for noun, a state of confusion. As a verb, disrupt the systematic functioning or neat arrangement of. In a sentence as a noun, the man has a nervous disorder. As a verb, the disorder in my room is uninviting. So it could also mean messy, the disorder, like this room here. Oh, that room is so disordered that you do not want to be invited to it. Discount can be an adjective, noun, or verb. As an adjective, at a price lower than the usual one. As a noun, the deduction from the usual cost of something typically given for prompt or advance payment or to special categories of buyers. As a verb, deduct an amount from the usual price of something. In a sentence as an adjective, a discount flight. As a noun, many stores will offer a discount on bulk purchases. As a verb, I got a discount on my ticket. Indirect is an adjective, not directly caused by or resulting from something. In a sentence, a shy person may be indirect. It can also look like these arrows here. They might not be going in a straight line. They're going indirect. It doesn't really, they're going all over the place. Unopened is an adjective, not opened. In a sentence, the gift was unopened. Disrespect can be a noun or a verb. The definition of disrespect as a noun, lack of respect or courtesy. As a verb, show a lack of respect for, or it could be an insult. In a sentence, as a noun, I did not treat you with disrespect. As a verb, I mean no disrespect. This boy is about to throw a paper airplane while their teacher is teaching. Oh, disrespect. Unimportant is an adjective, lacking in importance or significance. In a sentence, that task is unimportant. So here you have a focus and an ignore. You need to focus on your reading and your studying and ignore. Ignore all these things that are in the ignore basket because they are unimportant. Unlisted is an adjective not included on a list. In a sentence, her phone number is unlisted. Disrepair is a noun. Poor conditions in a state beyond repair. In a sentence, the house was in a state of disrepair, meaning there's no point of fixing this. We might as well start all over again. Disrepair. Inability is a noun. The state of being unable to do something. In a sentence, his inability to swim kept him from going to the pool, meaning he was not able to do something, so he's in inability. Disapprove is a verb. Express an unfavorable opinion about something. In a sentence, my mom would disapprove of that game. It should say of here. Let's change it quickly. Of that game. I'm sure that there's a few games that your mom would probably disapprove of. Next, we have unsolved. Is an adjective. Not solved, still a mystery. In a sentence, the crime remains unsolved. Or like this Rubik cubes, it's unsolved. Disobey is a verb. Fail to obey or follow rules or command or someone in authority. In a sentence, I would never disobey my parents. Kind of like this girl. She probably was told no more cookies and she went for a cookie and her mom caught her. So she is disobeying or disobey. Unsuspecting is an adjective, not aware of the presence of danger, feeling no suspicion. In a sentence, she was an unsuspecting victim of a prank. So someone threw a snowball at her. She was not expecting that. Unsuspecting. Disintegrating is a verb, breaking up into small parts, typically as the result of impact or decay. In a sentence, the hard blow caused the rocks to disintegrate. So it's kind of like fading away, but it kind of breaks apart instead, and then it just kind of becomes nothing. Disintegrate. Disillusioned is an adjective, disappointed in someone or something that one discovers to be less good than one had believed. Let's move that over. Believed. In a sentence, if the king had hoped for peace, he was to be sadly disillusioned. Kind of like this person here, someone might have made him really sad and he's feeling heartbroken or disillusioned. Unconscious is an adjective, not conscious. In a sentence, they called for help because the man was unconscious. So they were not responding, they were unconscious. Unappetizing is an adjective, not inviting or attractive. In a sentence, a salad for lunch was unappetizing for the girl. She probably wanted pizza. Unappetizing, meaning she did not really want that. Unappetizing. Intolerant is an adjective, not tolerant of others' views, beliefs, or behaviors that differ from one's own. In a sentence, I can't eat cheese or drink milk. I'm lactose intolerant. Intolerant can also be when you don't know how to control your emotions, kind of like these guys here. They're yelling at each other. They're being intolerant. These are your workbook pages on the prefixes inside of your Reading Street notebook. Please remember to complete those. I hope you enjoyed our slide.